Definitely.
Is it beneficial or not?
That apart,
Even if great and grand transformed Bharat doesn't realize, still you are a gainer in your limited sense.
yeah,
You are gainer or not?
yeah, it will enhance the social activity of everybody involved.
Correct. And in turn, it will demolish all politics. In turn, all politicians, they will be defeated. In
That will
turn,
be excellent. Yeah,
you will be winning even without Joanna asking for your vote.
yeah.
That has been already inbuilt philosophy of the app.
Okay.
Because you need not to, even when you are getting a ticket and you are filing a nomination, you are not expected to tell anybody, please vote for me.
Yeah.
So who will be telling? Mathli Saran will be telling, he is your Chandragupta. Go and vote for him. Not only vote for him, rather take a morning ferry and evening ferry and say Soundrajan is my Chandragupta and I will vote for him.
Right.
So it is the voter who will be taking a pledge for you without you are asking for it, because Mathli Saran Gupta would be asking for it.
It's a organic election system. It's an organic system.
Yeah, it is a highly organic system. You have
Organic.
to lose nothing. Still, you will get grand transformed Bharat. I will request you to kindly, Johanna, use nowadays even this automatically. If you want to listen my video in English, it will be available to you in English. Do you know that or not?
I want to use anything like that.
I was even surprised when I heard my own video in English, because I have spoken in Hindi.
What is the app?
No app. It's happening with the YouTube itself.
Okay.
Matlab YouTube, you ask that you want to listen in English, it will you will listen me in proficiently in English.
Oh.
Not even a single Hindi word.
I don't know. I want to try that.
No, I haven't done anything from my side. My own videos, when I started playing in English, I was surprised.
It's just like that translate facility. Typing also
It is not my voice. It is a translation. Voices of someone else, but it is me who is speaking.
Correct.
Okay. So Soundrajan, once again wish you very, very happy Deepavali. We have talked for the long, and I expect that you will start working on it for your own benefit.
Definitely.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram, Jai Gurudev.